Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So finally a new update is available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video we will check out that update. So to check the update, simply go into the settings, and after tapping on settings you have to scroll all the way down and tap on software update. Then you have to tap on download and install. The last update that I got on my Galaxy S24 Ultra was of May 1st 2025 security patch, and now we have got the latest June 1st 2025 security patch update. With the update size of 453 MB in size, this security patch is from Samsung official. If we talk about that what's new, so the device security will be protected and improved with this new update. To install it, first of all you will have to download this update, and after tapping on download, the update will begin to download. And once the download process is completed, you will get to see an option of install now. From here you can install this update, but make sure to install this update when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during this installation process, and this installation process takes time. After tapping on install now, your device will automatically restart, and now you will see that your device will optimize One UI. This installation process might take a while, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. Once installed, your device will automatically restart, and then you can check from the settings that your device will be on the latest version of the security patch. As you can see, it is on the latest June 1st 2025 now. The last May 1st 2025 improved the battery life in my Galaxy S24 Ultra. The drain I was facing with the One UI 7 is improved a lot. Hopefully with this June 1st 2025, the battery will be more improved as well. Let me know your reviews regarding the battery in the comment section, and that's a wrap for today's video. Check out this update available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates. And let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your S24 Ultra or not yet.